Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a food truck business. Food trucks are self-contained ventures that will give you plenty of exposure to essential business skills. From creating a great menu to sourcing ingredients and preparing meals to making a profit, you'll need to get up to speed quickly. Here's our simple guide to opening up your successful food truck business. From exploring the types of food trucks you can start to the legalities of setting up your business and the realities of your day-to-day operations, this guide is here to help. Some insight into creating your own food truck business and becoming an entrepreneur. In this guide we will cover food truck business planning, deciding whether a food truck business could be right for you, groups, forums and support for food truck business owners, ideas for the type of food business you could form, helpful software for food truck businesses, statistics on why you should start a food truck business selling meals to the public, setting up your food truck business including location, equipment, employees, taxes, finances, licenses, and more. What type of food truck business should you start? 1. Food trucks focusing on specific cuisines. 2. Food trucks for special diets. 3. Food trucks tied to events or locations. 4. Food trucks associated with restaurants and breweries. Validating your food truck business idea. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. It can be quite expensive to open a food truck business, with estimates of between $50,000 and $100,000 for your startup costs. Before committing too much time, energy, and money into your new food truck business, it's vital to test the marketplace. Look at who your competitors are in the space. Identify your food truck business unique selling points, USPs. Understand your market. Talk to clients. Get involved with food truck communities and discussion groups. Keep researching and testing until you find the right type of food truck business. It's fine to say no to the first few ideas, so long as you settle on a niche where there's a genuine need. The food truck business plan. You need to define how you're going to run your food truck business, market yourself, get sales, make a profit, and grow. This can only come about by creating a watertight food truck business plan. It will help you get your thinking in order and show your commitment to your new venture. You will also need to look at financial projections for your food truck business. 1. An executive summary with the most important points from your business plan. 2. Your goals and what you hope to achieve with your food truck business. 3. A description of your food truck business, background information, and context. 4. A market analysis and likely demand. 5. An overview of how your food truck business is structured. 6. Your business model. 7. How you will market and sell your offerings. 8. Financial projections, revenue, and profitability. 9. Appendices. In particular, your food truck business plan should cover your startup and operational costs. You'll need to work out how long it will be before you can turn a profit, bearing in mind the expense to buy a truck and equip it with specialized food facilities. Even after that, you'll also need to put money toward ingredients, permits, wages, utility costs, and more. Your food truck business will succeed or fail based on its profitability, so a rock-solid understanding of your pricing and expenses is essential. Choose the right business structure and register your food truck business. There are 5 main business structures you can have in the US, and it's important to choose the right one. We've shared your options below. They are sole proprietorship, partnership company or LLC, limited liability company or LLC. The most common type of business entity. An LLC is fast, simple, and inexpensive to set up and maintain. It protects your personal finances and assets, and is a great way to start your food truck business. S Corporation, C Corporation. In most cases, Our recommendation for a food truck business would be to create an LLC. We've got a complete guide to everything you need to do. Setting up your food truck and business operations. Marketing your food truck business. Finances and taxes. Employees. Software and process. Location of your food truck business. Equipment for your food truck. Rules, regulations, and taxes for your food truck business. You can't escape real-world licenses, permits, and regulations, and they're particularly onerous for a food-based business. You will need to explore local, state, and federal licenses and permits, and we can also help out with researching your business licensing needs. Pay particular attention to any permits or licenses needed for safety and hygiene. Taxes. Taxes are a fact of life if you're in business, and there are various ways you will need to file and pay them. This can include self-employment tax, state income tax, and federal income tax. It's also very likely that the food you sell will be subject to sales and use tax. Insurance for your food truck. Workers' compensation insurance. General liability insurance. Home and auto insurance. Maintaining your food truck business documentation. 1. File an annual report. 2. Pay estimated taxes. 3. Renew business permits and licenses. 4. Prepare your taxes. 5. File your taxes. 6. Pay payroll and sales taxes. Conclusion. Find the right niche, and your food truck business could be an enormous success. You'll certainly learn quickly if it's right for you. And with perseverance, you can turn a food truck into a very profitable venture. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. Okay, so let's get started. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the Basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. The Premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the 3 because it includes 3 extra services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.